After Indigo's operational disruption earlier this month, Ministry of Civil Aviation has set up a passenger assistance control room from 9th of December, and currently we are at Udan Bhavan where this assistance control room is here. You can see representatives of all airlines, be it Air India Express, Air India, Indigo are present over here. Apart from that, representatives of Ministry of Civil Aviation and representatives of Air Seva are also present to address the grievances sent by passengers either on social media account, be it on X, Facebook, Instagram, and there are designated landline numbers also provided where passengers give a call and tell their problems, where these are the representatives who resolve the problems. We'll try to speak to some of the representatives over here. Sir, if you can tell us your name.
Yes, ma'am. It's Abhinav Nishant Bhaskar here.
And sir, what is your role over here?
So basically, I am from Air India, handling the customer grievances on social media alongside the Air Seva and the Mocha team. So whatever customer has a query, be it a query or concern or escalation, so we just respond to it, and we not only respond but we try to resolve it then and there only.
And how does it work over here? Like, what is the structure? How do you get it? Do you directly go on social media and address it, or how do you coordinate between Ministry of Civil Aviation and Air Seva and other representatives who are here?
So it is going simultaneously. So I am a part of social media team only at Air India. So I do receive customers' query and complaint directly, as well as the Air Seva team also receives it and the Mocha team also receives it. So for example, if I am receiving a case directly, then I'll resolve it. I'll try to share a resolution with the customer. And if in case the Air Seva or the Mocha team is receiving it, so they share the case ID or the details of the passengers with us, and we'll just get it done.
So that's how the structure here at PACR works. But let me also tell you, passenger grievances like cancellation, delays, luggage loss, or any kind of problem that passengers face, this is the setup by Ministry of Civil Aviation that resolve the problem. And we'll try and speak to more people over here. Ma'am, if you can tell us your name.
I'm Lisa. I'm from Air India Express.
And if you can tell us about how what's your role over here and how do you address the problem?
So any concern that we receive on our channels or probably on Air Seva or Mocha, the Air Seva and Mocha team is directed towards us, and we then contact the guest and address it with them from end to end.
So we have also been told that till now, since 9th of December, more than 13,000 problems, grievances, Ministry of Civil Aviation, PACR, that is Passenger Affected Assistance Control Room has received and has been resolved. And I am right now with DDG PK Thakur, Mocha. Sir, first of all, how this idea has come up of setting up a passenger assisting control room?
At the time of the Indigo crisis, it has been felt that we should have a 24/7, the dedicated, which is the passenger centric. All the issues are related to the passengers' grievances. The Mocha should have a team who can resolve all the passengers' issue on the spots. So under the leaderships of Honorable Ministers Ram Mohan Naidu ji and Secretary Sri Samir Kumar Sinha ji, the Mocha has decided that we should have a 24/7 control room team.
So, sir, if you can explain what actually happens in this control room, how does this control room function, and how are passengers' grievances being addressed?
Initially, we had the Air Seva, but Air Seva had some kinds of the timelines. We had the service level agreements in the SLA, in the Air Seva. So within, the dead timelines, you have to give the replies. But at the time of crisis, like the Indigo was happens, we need to have a real time of monitoring and the real time of the resolutions of the grievances. So we have started this.
Sir, I am also being told that representatives of airlines are also present over here. Earlier, only Air Seva representatives or sometimes different departments of Ministry of Civil Aviation used to address the grievances. What makes the ministry think that now airlines representatives should also be a part of this control room? And can we say it's a one-of-a-kind thing that has been started by Ministry of Civil Aviation?
And not only the airlines representative. We have the representatives from the Airports Authority of India. We have the representatives from the DGCA. We have the representative from the BCAS also. So the Mocha as a whole, under the leaderships of our Secretary Sir, Okay, the MOCA as a whole is working here. Okay, you will find the people from all the organizations of the ministry here.
So that was DDG PK Thakur who says that all the grievances are being addressed 24/7. Monitoring is happening at this control room. With video journalist Shashikant Pal, Shafali Nigam Times Now.